In front of me is Motorola Moto G04 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Launcher iOS 18. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions. And then tap on Continue twice. Following that, select while using the app in the pop-up and allow in all the other ones. Now after closing an ad, you can adjust all of those available options however you want to. Or just tap on Set as Default at the top right away. You can always change your mind later on. After tapping on Set as Default, click on iOS Launcher to apply it. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you need to go to the same app, tap on Set as Default and choose Moto Launcher instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!